Hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to make a video recording app with video playing app. So this is also a very simple one. Go to media, drag and drop this cam recorder, and with cam recorder also video player. Okay, so I'll just keep the width as fill parent over here, and we'll make it come down. So here align vertical, keep it bottom, so let it be at the bottom, guys. I don't want it to be at the top. Here that's it. There are only two components which we need. You just have to put a button as well here. Font, okay, fine. So here I just keep the width as fill parent, so you can change the text if you want, but I'll just keep it however it is. Okay, so this is also very simple one. Without button also you can do when screen one initialize and stuff, but here let's go with button. Okay, call record video is also very simple app. So when cam recorder one, after recording, video player one, source here to clip. That's it, our app is ready. So let's test it, guys. So guys, I'll not put any APKs or AI file in the description below because this is a very simple app. So here just record a short video and I will come back. Okay, so guys, here it is. For example, I'll just record a video of this mouse over here. Okay, so could not start video recording because I'm in this screen recording, so I'll just come back. So guys, I just had stopped the screen recording over here. So this is the video. Okay, so this is the video basically. So now alright, so now just click on this tick button. So here you can see this is the blank screen, so I think it just have to load. Okay guys, you can see over here, so this is the recording. If I click on this, you can see over here, guys, the same recording has been played over here. So guys, that's it for this video. Subscribe to my channel as well, like this video and smash this bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to meet you in my next video, guys.